Hey crafty people, I have a haul for you. It's been a while. And it is from ASC Supplies on Etsy. And I am excited. Alright. Let me show you this. Spring Fever Sale. 30 to 50% off select items throughout the store. April 1st through 30th. So you got a while. Ooh. ASC is adding Prima. That's news to me. I didn't even know that. All right, check out their blog. That's their website address. Oh, let me get my price list out here so I can tell you how much this stuff cost. All right. I bought a bunch of molds. And these are $7.75 a piece. So here's this is Stamperia. And they've got the bows at the top. And then these medallions. And these pretties. Oh, so pretty. I like that one. Another smaller medallion. Both of these. And look at this big long one here. I am going to pretty much use this mostly on furniture. So I'm excited about that. Look at this one. Clocks. And also I'm going to do some altar jars and glass type of things. And I'm really excited about these. Then we have this one. A big heart with roses. Look at that beautiful flower. I can't wait to put some of this stuff on furniture. And these roses and the, oh, look at this one. I cannot wait. And then there's this one. And look at this, really cool. And it's a long design. Let me see how long that is. 10 inches. And then we've got leaves and a butterfly and flowers. And this is like a medallion with flowers. And then this big flower and this big medallion. So those are all $7.75 each. And then these also are going to be for glass, altering glass, and some of them I may even use for furniture. And these range anywhere from $2.05 to $3.25. So this is a Parisian rice paper. And this stuff's probably going to go in my stash for vintage stuff and things. You know, all of this. Look at the cute little bunny and the child. Oh, I love this one. And I love that one. And this one has cottages, and that one has a cottage on it. All right, then this one, we have birds and flowers. And is that it? That is it. All right. So that is my haul from ASC Supplies. This is actually a purchase. This isn't design team stuff. I had gotten their molds in my design team package, and I went back and was like, I have to have, you know, I have to get more. So super stoked. Gonna use these on furniture and altered glass, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. All right. Thanks for watching. Bye.